to say. We don't remember the days, we remember the moments in Karunya. That's how we are here. See, as I remember, even in the last union, I said this. If you want to relive any part of your life again, everyone in this auditorium will choose their college life. Because it has been so wonderful here. And we crisscrossed, we walked around this college by walk. Though, because of my academic excellence, I was admitted into this college after 3 months. My roll number was 87182. After me, Solly and Veerappan joined, I believe, and Danny also. See, the reunion is the celebration of relationships because we honor and celebrate our relationship with each other, among the friends and between you teachers and us. And of course, in the civil department, we were all in the lots of last benches. Joseph got an opportunity at least to say a prayer, but I am holding the mic for the first time here. So, this moment, we really, everyone said about their, the time they spent here in the college. This is the month of Guru Purnima. On 19th of July, we celebrated the Guru Purnima. Guru is split into 2 words. Gu means bad, Ru means dispel. The teachers, you were also young those days because, I remember Tenzing sir, Mahin sir, Jones sir, Christy sir, I think they were also new to the teaching. They were almost 2, 3, 4 years elder to us, and they were also guiding us just like friends. So we had a very wonderful time. I still remember one of our mechanical faculty also, he removed the parts in the, and reassembled again. Some parts were still there. They also had a few problems. They also learned, we also learned. We learned together. And it's really wonderful to be here again and recall.
Beloved Dr. Elijah, beloved Naplana, respected teachers, fellow Karunyans, and other distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Well, Vinod, Arulraj and Beatrice spoke about the journey that we have come across in the last 25 years. And just to add to that, I would like to start off by saying that the starting point of everything is quite small. So similarly, when we went out, we were out from a self-financing engineering college. And wherever you went, giving your application for a job, the question used to be, are you from a DOT 1 college or are you from a DOT 2 college? The moment you say you are from a DOT 2, the facial reaction of the person sitting on the other side of the table itself used to change. Saying, oh, self-financing. And there were many self-financing colleges as well, apart from Karunya. And in the midst of all those competitions, God has really lifted all of us. Today, when we look at our batchmates, the various positions, some of the positions that Vinod also mentioned, for what we were, for what we studied, and what we are today, there is absolutely no relationship. And the only underlying reason could be nothing but the grace of God and the blessings and well-wishes and prayer support of so many people from us, strongly founded from Karunya. When we say prayer support, it's not just the prayer support of people whom we know. It is even people in Karunya who don't know any of our faces. And I would reinforce on this particular point because in 2004, I was personally going through a very bad patch in December when my wife had to go through a very terrible medical emergency which went all the way up to brain hemorrhage, and doctors declared, I think, the chapter is closed. It was at that point of time, amongst the few phone calls that I have made, I made at that point of time to our friends, blood donors, high-level connections to senior doctors and other hospitals and all that. The first call that I made was to JC, and the second call was to college. And I'm sure Relizut ma'am will remember that. And 2004, I don't think they had 4 auditoriums for assembly, but at least 2 or 3 were there. And close to 3,000 students at that point of time stood up in the morning assembly and prayed exclusively for the recovery of my wife. They don't even know my face. Where is the question of knowing about my wife? And let me tell you, friends, it was 6th of December 2004. And that day is popularly known in the political circles and government circles as the day of Babri Masjid Demolition Day. You know, the day of violence. May I request Kevin to come forward? May I request P. Subha? W. Geeta, to please hand over a moment to Nirmala ma'am. Nitu, please come forward and hand over a moment to Dr. Elijah. Nagaraj, Civil Nagaraj, Dr. Tenzing. Rajesh K. Joy, Principal Raj. BJP. When we were in final year, and even though he is just 1 year senior to us, he is still a teacher, and we respect him.
Very helping mind.
Thank you very much.
To be honest, I was a bit nervous, I guess, to conduct or be the MC for this event. That I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Shruti Maria Abraham. I'm currently doing my 4th year BTech in Electronics and Media Technology. This course wasn't there when you all were a part of KIT, which is Carnegie Institute of Technology. So now we have a game session. You might have walked in being more than 40 years old, but right now please think you're just 17 again and enjoy this game. So I would like to hand over the mic to Sushmita and Dilda.
Good afternoon. Okay, good afternoon. Okay, I hope you guys are not hungry. No, right? Yeah, hungry? But we are going to irritate you for some more time and then we'll let you go.
Okay, give a high five to your neighbor. High five. Yay! Say hi! Hi! Yeah, you're very active. Okay. So this is Bubbly Dizza. She has a game phase, okay?
Sushmita. Okay, so the game goes like this. Each of you will be given a set of sticky notes or post-its and you have to write something about your friend. Okay, it can be any friend sitting, but he should be sitting or he or she should be sitting in this auditorium. And if you have more than one friend, you can request for more post-its. And you have to go, you'll be given a time frame of 3 minutes to write something. And you have to go and stick it anywhere on that person when I say start. Is that okay? Come again? Okay. You have to write something. something about your friend, okay? And you have to go and stick it on that friend's back or anywhere.
Some good things that they can take back home. Some good memories, you're very friendly, caring, some good qualities, or something funny you would like your friend to know.
Best friend, worst friend. Shall we include you in the game? Okay, you can write something about your teachers also. And stick it on their backs. It can be a memory, an incident, something they can take back home. Is everyone done writing?
Please ask if you want more.
If you have more than one friend, it's okay. We can give you a person.
Good participation and discussion in WhatsApp, okay? Loving, jovial, kind,
Really enjoyed the
very
company.
jolly, pray, geek. And what? Tamil? Really enjoyed the company.
Fine. Sir, please. So sir has gotten good coordinator, that's why we are here. Okay. Subhashini. Okay. Then Imraj, you are great. There's Tamil.
This is from Andrews, nice get together arrangements. And Imraj very caring and understanding.
Thank you. These are all nice things. Are there any funny incidents? You're short, but you're great. Okay.
Saliva was falling down. So ma'am came and told me, sleep well, but don't get saliva down. At least wipe the saliva. Thank you ma'am for the good suggestion. It made me a decent man.
6 o'clock was our practical exam. So the staff who served told that you wake up when you get up, and then I'll also come with you. We came back to, I was late, I didn't get up morning 6 o'clock. We came late running to the exam, and question paper was not distributed. I forgot to wake up the staff who told me to wake up. Finally, I didn't get scolded, he got scolding, he came late, and question paper was brought with him. Thank you.
They are colorful. Men in black.
Thank you. Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you for the coordination.
And I would like to ask Nanasila Nana to bring out the teachers so that they could also share messages.
Since our Vice Chancellor has joined back, may I request D. Thomas to come forward and hand over a memento to our Vice Chancellor on behalf of all of us. just to say a few words. We will start with Dr. Prince Raj.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am very happy to see all of you back to Karunya in uniform. Black color signifies youth. So by wearing a black t-shirt, your ages have come down by 25 years. But unfortunately, you have made us older by not giving the t-shirt to us. I am happy because of two reasons. One reason is that some of you have more lateral growth than me on this side. And second thing is, சில தலையை பார்க்கும்போது என் தலையில் இருந்ததோட உங்கள் தலையில் குறையா இருக்கு.
We have awards for that. We are giving awards for that.
நான் உள்ள இருக்கிறத பேசுகிறேன், வெளியே இருக்கிறதா பேசுகிறேன். See, these days, everything is becoming less and less. Cooking has become fireless, phones have become cardless, cars have become keyless, tires have become tubeless, politicians have become shameless. No, there are exemptions. Dresses have become sleeveless, students have become careless, and education has become valueless. Today morning, Mr. Moss.
Good afternoon to all of you. So nice to see you after a long time. I still remember when you were there in the first year, I was a class advisor to one section. And then every year, this is the original practice. At the end of the first year, they will give send off to all the teachers who are taken in the first year because they are going to the new branch. So being a class advisor, I would have advised them, I would scold them, everything I did. Okay, so this day I said, all the students were joined together and they were planning. I said, don't call me. I don't want to give any advice. Okay, it's enough. 1 full year I have done it. Okay, so we'll call other teachers. So all the teachers who were handling the class were called to the classroom and I said, we'll give a lot. And then we'll pick up one name. And unfortunately or fortunately, it came to Vincent sir. So Vincent wanted to talk. So he came to the stage, he took the paper and said, I have taught only one paper. But Elizabeth ma'am is the class advisor. She only knows what better she can talk about the class. So naturally the ball came to my court. So I have not prepared anything. The whole year I have advised the class. So what to do? So I came to the class. I was just 23 years old. I was very young. So I came to the stage and I said, if you ask a mother about the child, if you remember the statement, if you ask the mother about the child, what will the mother say? Mother will say the child is good. So these are my students, my kids, so they are good. I said and ran to my place and sat. That's all I remember. I was fresh. Maybe when you came to the first year, I had 1 year experience. Maybe that previous year I was fresh. But I had very nice time of teaching maths. There were some people who are weak. And 5
University captains.
5 university captains from Karunya.
We had 3 university first, second,
அந்த ரூம்ல ஏதோ இது இருக்குமா? Okay, thank you so much.